Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In this session, we will discuss about intensive course. Yeah, intensive
Okay.
course. Yeah. Today, I want to give amplification of forces. Forces, and then maybe a little bit about global warming. But I think global warming is so easy for you because there are some reading texts that explain to us about global warming. Okay. uh, okay, I continue with simple quiz. Yeah. As usual, we make this session become interactive, and I need your help to help me. Yeah, to help me to answer the questions. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. I'll share screen. Okay. And the number one done for you, ya. Nomor satu sudah Ustaz Yuko jawab. And now even though I have answered the questions, I need you to read the question again, and maybe I'll give you a few explanation, or maybe you can give the reason for answering the questions, or just the option of the questions. Now I give a chance to Mas Raka. Please, Mas Raka, read the question and also the um, the answer. Ini wait ya, wait. Oke, silakan Mas Raka.
Is the following statement true or false? A stationary object has no force acting on it. The answer is false.
Okay, a stationary object has no forces acting on it. From these questions, show us that a stationary object atau objek yang stasionari atau yang diam tidak memiliki has no forces acting on it. Jadi nggak ada gaya yang mengenai atau berada pada benda itu. Ya, itu salah ya. Because even though for the example a stone on the floor, misal ada batu di atas lantai, and then motionless, nggak ada gerakan, it doesn't mean that there is no force acting on it. Itu tidak berarti kemudian nggak ada gaya pada batu tersebut, ya. But the summation or the sigma atau jumlah gaya yang mengenai benda itu adalah 0. For the example, if okay, this is my glass, and then we put on my hand. The motion is 0, motionless, nggak ada gerakan. Tapi gelas ini memiliki weight force, memiliki gaya berat, and the direction is to the bottom, ke bawah. Dan dilawan oleh gaya normal. Gaya normalnya kemana? Normal force-nya up, ke atas. Because of the magnitude of normal force and the weight force are the same, ya, sama, maka weight force and normal force the same, so my glass at the stationary condition or at a steady state atau pada tempat yang tetap. Ya, jadi tetap ada kayaknya. Oke. Now we go to the next questions. Oh my God, there is a calculation. Please prepare your notebook and pencil or pen to answer these questions. But I will help you. For the first, Mas Ganindra, please on your mic, please. Mas Ganindra. Okay, Mas Ganindra. Now I need Mas Ganindra to read the question. Silakan, Mas.
A 50-kilogram object is accelerating to the right at 10 meters per second
Square.
square. What is the magnitude of the rightward net force acting on it in newtons?
Okay. I know this question just now also. Jadi Pak Yugo juga tahu soal ini barusan. Oke, kita kerjakan bareng-bareng ya. Oke, Mas Garindra. Now we know that this one. What is this? What is this, Mas? Kilogram. A 50 kilogram. Okay, I'll read again. A 50 kilogram object is accelerating to the right at 10 meter per second square. What is the magnitude of the rightward net force acting on it? Berarti apa? 50 itu apa? 50 kilograms. Apa? Anyone knows?
Mass.
Very good, mass. Ya, mass. Ini massnya ya. And then is accelerating to the right at 10 meter per second square. What is this?
Accelerating.
Acceleration. Very good. Very good. Yeah, acceleration. Mass and acceleration. To the right. Yeah, to the right. Because, yeah. And then what is the magnitude of the rightward net force acting on it? Jadi ini ada benda di sini, ya, bergerak ke kanan, ya. Itu percepatannya 10, and then the mass 50. And the question is, what is the magnitude of the rightward net force acting on it? Itu yang ditanyakan adalah gaya. As we know that force equal with, anyone knows? Mass dot what?
10.
Very good, 10, or acceleration. Yeah. Force, based on the Newton's law, force equal with mass dot acceleration. We know that the mass is about 50 kilograms, yeah, 50 kilograms, and then the acceleration is about what? Ganindra, berapa accelerationnya? 10. And the unit is mass per second square. Very good. Mas Ganindra. So what is the force based on these questions, Mas Ganindra? 50 multiply 10. So the result is?
500.
Huh? Yeah?
500.
Very good. 500. 500, and the unit is kilograms, and then meters, and then per second square, or in newtons, because of the scientists that observe about forces is Mr. Newton's. So we can change the unit, this one become Newton. Okay, like this. So if we wanna wait, we have to put the answer. So what is the result, Mas Ganendra?
500.
500 newtons without unit, because have stated here. Okay, now we just click the check. Okay, very good, great work, you got it. 5 more ya. Ini sudah benar ya, 500. Nanti kalau nggak benar gimana ya, nggak apa-apa, kita kan sama-sama belajar ya. Oke, thank you Mas Ganendra Navan. Oke, I need to clear. Okay, clear all drawing. Okay, now I think Mbak Fania, please read the question and answer the questions.
Is the following statement true or false? Weight and mass are the same thing. False.
False. Why? Do you have reason? Any reason?
Iya, bentar-bentar Pak. Jelasinnya susah. Weight is
Any reason?
bentar.
Okay. While waiting, I will read again the question. Is the following statement true or false? Weight and mass are the same thing. Weight and mass.
Aku udah Pak.
Yes. What are the differences, or what's your reason?
Weight itu dipengaruhi dengan gravitasi.
Okay, very good.
Dan massa tidak dipengaruhi oleh gravitasi.
Okay, very good. Thank you for your answer, Mbak Fania. Mass is discuss about the amount of substance on it, the amount of substance that build the content of the thing. For the examples, if we have water in the glass, so the mass is the amount of substance of the water. But the weight of the water in the glass is the mass of the water that influenced by the gravitation. So if we put the water in the glass at the two different position, it will be, or it can be different. The weight, it can be different. The weight can be different. Jadi kalau massa itu adalah membahas jumlah zat yang terkandung di dalamnya, tetapi kalau berat itu adalah massa atau jumlah zat tertentu yang dipengaruhi oleh gravitasi. Seperti yang disampaikan oleh Mbak Fania bahwa weight influenced by gravitation, but mass no. Ya, jadi kalau satu gelas air di bumi dibandingkan satu gelas air di bulan dengan volume yang sama, the weight force can be different. Ya, gaya beratnya bisa berbeda, tetapi the mass still same. Ya, so we cannot make the weight and mass become a same thing. No. Weight and mass are the same thing? No. Because weight influenced by gravitation, mass no. Yeah. Okay, maybe until these questions, maybe any question from you until here? Okay. If there is no questions, I'll continue with the next questions. Okay, this one. Weight and mass are the same thing? False, yeah? False. Check. Okay, very good. Yeah, good work. Now, next question will be answered by, oh my God, there is a calculation, yeah? some some of the question are about calculation for the force or Newton's law. It's okay. I think, yeah, we can answer all of this question. Now I need help from Mbak Humaira. Assalamualaikum, Mbak.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, how are you, Mbak?
I'm fine.
Okay, I hope you healthy and happy. Yeah, Mbak Humaira, please help me to read the question.
A 700 Newton rightward net force is being applied to a 10 kilogram object. What is the magnitude of the rightward acceleration on the object in m
Per second
per second?
square. Okay, thank you so much. Now, I repeat again. I repeat the question. 700 Newton rightward net force is being applied to a 10 kilograms object. What is the magnitude of the rightward acceleration on the object in meter per second square? So this is, I think, same with the previous question, but principally the same, but the question is different. Yeah, in principle it's the same. Yeah, but the previous question asked to all of students about the force, but now we know the force, that is 700 newtons, and we know Iqbal. And okay, nggak apa-apa. Okay, and we know that the mass of the object is about 10 kilograms. Now we have to find the acceleration of on the object. Okay, Mas Iqbal, assalamualaikum. Mas Iqbal, please on your mic. Okay, it's okay. Now I go to Mbak Humaira. Mbak Humaira. What about 700? What is 700, Mbak Humaira? What is 700, Mbak Humaira?
Force.
Force, very good. This is force. Yeah, force. And then, Mbak Humaira, what is 10 kilograms?
Yang itu that yang apa itu?
Yes, I mean, what is 10 kilograms? Force? I think no, because force is 700 newtons. So 10 kilogram is what? Mass, weak force, or maybe acceleration, or the others?
Acceleration.
Okay. Okay, now kilogram is mass, yeah? Mass. And now the question, what is the magnitude of the rightward acceleration? This is the question. Yeah, we have to find the acceleration. So if for the force equal with mass and then dot acceleration. Now the question is, what is the acceleration? So acceleration equal with, anyone knows?
Force divided by mass.
Very good. Force divided by mass. Who is this? Humaira.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Mbak Humaira. Now, please still with me. Keep your mic on, Mbak Humaira, because I need your help. Okay, now we write here. So, what is the force, Mbak Humaira? Berapa force-nya tadi?
700 Newton.
700. Very good. 700 newtons. and then divided by the mass. What is the mass?
10 kilograms.
10 kilograms. Okay, so what is the result, Mbak Umaira?
70 N per kilogram.
Okay, 70 newtons per kilogram. Mbak Humaira. Now, the next question is, what is newtons? In the other way, what is newtons? Newton itu tadi satuannya apa sih? Kalau dipecah jadi apa sih? Mbak Humaira? Kilogram? Ya enggak? Kilogram dikalikan apa tadi?
Gram.
Meter? Betul? Per? Apa Mbak? Per second? Pangkat?
2.
Okay. Newtons can be written as kilogram meter per second square. Now, newtons divided by kilogram. It means that kilogram meter per second square divided by kilogram. So, we can reduce here. We can reduce this one, reduce this one. So become the final result can be written like this.
70 meter per second.
70
Meter per second.
meter and then per
Per second.
second square. Okay. Do you understand, students? Do you understand with this explanation?
Yes.
Okay. I think so easy for you, yeah? Yeah, you are so smart, yeah? Smart students. Okay, now we have got the result. The 700 newtons rightward net force is being applied to a 10 kilograms object. What is the magnitude of the rightward acceleration on the object in meter per second square? So the result is 70. Okay, bismillah. Kita cek. Okay, very good. Nice work. Ya, sudah betul. Okay. Okay ya. We continue our lesson with the next question. Okay. This is the next question. This is the question. Mbak Rizkia Sekar. Mbak Rizkia. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Mbak Rizkia, please read the question, Mbak.
A 500 Newton rightward net force is accelerating an object to the right at 5 mass. What is the mass of the object in kilograms?
Okay, very good, Mbak Rizkia. I need to repeat. 500 newtons rightward net force is accelerating on object to the right at 5 meter per second square. What is the mass of the object in kilograms? Now, everybody, every student, I give you 5 minutes. I give you 5 minutes to answer this question you can write down on your book or your paper, and then after 5 minutes I need you to raise hand to answer this question together in our class today. Okay, you can start for answering in for 5 minutes. Start now, please. Mas Fafian, please help me to read the question. Ayo.
A 500 Newton rightward net force.
Loudly, Mas. Loudly.
A 500 Newton rightward net force is accelerating an object to the right 5 meters per second square. What is the mass of the object in kilograms?
Very good. So what is 500 here?
Force.
Force, very good. And then we know about 5 meter per second square. What is this?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. So the question is
What is the mass of the object in kilograms?
mass. And we can make it short, become m. Okay, very good. This is the question, yeah. Okay, Mas. Would you like to use your annotation? Bisa kakak Mas Fafian pakai ini anotasi, bisa nyoret-nyoret di sini?
Nyoret.
Ini pakai apa? HP atau pakai laptop?
Pakai laptop.
Pakai laptop bisa nggak pakai mouse untuk nulis jawabannya di sini?
Lupa Pak caranya.
Okay, it's okay. Now I write here. So mass, Mas Fafian, help me. Equal with apa, Mas?
Force.
Force. And then? Per?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. Very good. And then the force is?
500.
Okay, 500. I will write here. Complete with Newtons. Very good. And then the acceleration?
5 meters per second square.
Very good. Very good. Square, second square. So what is the result, Mas?
500.
What is the result?
Wait.
What is the result?
100.
Yes. Very good. 100. And then, as usual, newtons. We can change the newton become what? Kilogram. And then dot meter
per second square.
Very good. And now I'll meter per second square. Like this, Mas, ya. So we can reduce ya, Mas.
Yeah.
Kita bisa mereduksi atau menghilangkan pakai ini. Ini ya bisa dicoret ya. Oke. Gitu ya. Jadi satuannya tinggal apa, Mas?
100 kilogram.
Okay, very good. So the final result is about 100
kilogram.
Okay. Okay, now we try to right here. 100. Okay, very good. Thank you, Mas Sofian.
You're welcome.
Okay, very good. Okay, we go to the next questions. True and false question, yeah. True and false question. I think so easy for you. Okay, now I need Mbak Diva. Assalamualaikum. Mbak Diva, assalamualaikum. Okay, for the first, mass is a measure of an object's inertia or its tendency to resist change in velocity based on the answer of Mbak Fania and Mbak Nasya is true and the answer is correct. Mass is measure, jadi massa itu adalah sebuah ukuran dari sebuah inersia benda. Inersia benda itu gini. Benda itu kalau diem, itu mempertahankan posisi diamnya atau kecepatannya dipertahankan 0. Itu based on the first Newton's law, berdasarkan hukum Newton pertama. Kalau benda itu sudah jalan, for the example, this thing move with 5 meter per second maybe. Jadi dia bergerak 5 meter per second, itu akan terus berjalan begitu terus, nggak turun, nggak naik kecepatannya. Dan itu adalah juga example of the first Newton's law. Jadi itu adalah salah satu contoh dari hukum Newton pertama. Ya, saya kira sudah pernah saya kasihkan dulu itu ya. Oke, next questions. Oke. Oke. Who wants to read the question, please?
Me.
Yes, please.
Which of Newton's laws explain why satellites need very little fuel to stay in orbit? Don't know.
A, B, C. You free to answer, Mas. Gak apa-apa. Salah gak apa-apa.
Second law.
Huh? Second law, okay. Anyone else? Which of Newton's laws explains why satellites need very little fuel to stay in orbit? Ini pertanyaan begini loh. Hukum Newton yang keberapa sih yang menjelaskan bahwa satelit itu yang satelit buatan ya, yang diluncurkan itu loh. Why satellites? Kenapa satelit itu need very little fuel, sedikit membutuhkan fuel itu bahan bakar to stay in orbit, untuk berada di dalam orbit. Ya, silakan. First law, second law, third law. Tadi Mas siapa? Mas Raka ya? Mas Raka jawab first law ya. Second law. Any wants to answer with different answer? Ingat ya, kalau first law itu sigma F equal with 0. Jadi jumlah dari gaya sama dengan 0 karena memang ada gaya yang saling menghilangkan. Kalau second law beda lagi ya. Second law itu apa? E sama dengan F per M. Kalau third law apa? Action reaction. If we push the wall with 100 newtons, it means that there will be reaction at the same time and the direction is to us at the same magnitude of the force. Jadi ketika kita mendorong tembok dengan 100 Newton, maka pada saat yang sama ada gaya normal yang arahnya kembali lagi kepada kita sebesar 100 Newton. Nah ini, kenapa sih kalau satelit di luar angkasa itu cukup membutuhkan sedikit bahan bakar untuk berada tetap di orbitnya? Yes? First, second, now, third.
Third.
Bingung ini saya, ada yang dua sama yang 3.
Suka-suka Pak Yugo sih jawab. Yang
Jangan.
milihnya suka-suka pilih.
Enggak, ini bebas dari kalian, enggak harus Pak Yugo. Ayo, first, second, third. Ada yang third, ada yang second, ada yang first. Mana ya? Soalnya ini masih ada gerakan kan berarti. Stay. Kalau saya jawab first gimana ya? Betul ya. Oh, gini. Apakah akan jawab 2 apakah salah? Menurut Ustadz Yugo juga nggak salah-salah banget sih. Kenapa? Karena iya, masalahnya ini stay ya. Ya salah juga kalau stay ya. Stay itu kan tinggal. Kan nggak gerak berarti masyarakat ya. Kalau gerak berarti ada gaya yang tidak sama dengan, resultan gayanya tidak sama dengan 0. Kalau stay itu ya stay. Stay itu maksudnya tidak harus diam loh ya. Misal gini, saya tetap, stay itu istilahnya tetap pada kondisi itu. Kondisi apa? Saya kondisinya diam. Oh, berarti V-nya diam. Iya, kondisinya diam. Oke, tetap di situ. Ada lagi, saya berada pada kondisi 5 meter per second. Saya berada pada kondisi kecepatan 5 meter per detik. Ya, kondisinya itu. Ya, first law itu, first law of Newton's, not only for the stopping thing, but also the moving thing with the constant velocity. Jadi untuk hukum Newton pertama itu tidak hanya untuk benda diam, tapi juga termasuk benda gerak yang bergerak dengan kecepatan konstan. What about if the velocity is not constant, or for the other words, the acceleration is not zero? Gimana kalau kecepatan berubah? Berarti juga percepatannya atau perlambatannya juga ada, tidak sama dengan 0. Ya maka tidak terjadi berlaku hukum Newton pertama. Gitu ya. Thank you masyarakat, thank you Mbak Fania for answering the questions, for trying the question, and now we want to show the summary of, okay, keep going, keep growing. Ya, 7/7 correct. Jadi semua jawaban kita itu betul ya. Okay, I think our lesson enough ya. Sampai di sini dulu. Maybe for the next time we will discuss deeply, and I hope we meet offline ya. Saya Ustadz juga sudah sangat pengen sekali ketemu offline gitu. Tapi gimana ya? Ini masih belum.
Sekolah offline itu ada jam kosongnya, Pak.
Gimana Mbak Fania?
Enaknya offline itu bisa ketemu teman.
Okay, students, I think our lesson today ya dicukupkan. Thank you for your attention, and I'm so sorry if there are some mistakes. And yeah, I hope there are a lot of advantages for you, and you understand all of the materials about forces and maybe Newton's law. And yeah, next we will discuss about the other materials. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.
Bye.